What's going on, guys? Today we're back with another video. You guys can see we have these fire red 9s in pretty bad condition. You guys can see extremely dirty. See how the tongue gets. The tongues on the white mesh 9s, awful. You guys can see the toe box. All around it's pretty bad, and the soles are a bit yellowed as well. So we're just gonna go ahead and try to make these look as brand new as possible, and let's hop right into it. So I'm gonna be using some Reshoevn-Eater with their medium texture brush to start off the cleaning. I'm just gonna start from the tongue and make our way all the way around the shoe. Then I just take my microfiber cloth and just go ahead and wipe away all the soap. Now I'm using my steamer. I'm gonna go ahead and start steaming the tongue. You can see how it brings those stains up on the tongue right here. And I have some solution, a little bit of bleach, some Reshoevn-Eater, and some water. I'm just gonna scrub the tongue with that. Now we'll switch to the stiff texture brush to go ahead and clean up this whole outsole portion of the shoe. And now we're gonna go ahead and steam. And as you guys can see here, the difference is night and day. So I'm gonna continue working on the other pair. I'm gonna come back when everything is nice and finalized. And here's a trick for some of the marks that don't come out on the shoe. Take a microfiber cloth, wet it, and just go ahead and rub against it. And you guys will see it fades away. And just keep doing that, and it will completely go away. You see, it's gone. Also, when you have those stubborn marks on the outsole, get you a cotton round, put some acetone on it, and just go ahead and rub against the outsole portion, and that will help get those marks off as well. Alright guys, at this point the cleaning is all complete. You guys can see these came out really good. Remember, the mesh was all brown and nasty. Got all of it out, all the stains out, and they look amazing. So if you need this treatment done to your own pairs, DM the IG at Dre's Durations, and I will see you guys in the next one.